Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Namaskaram to all. Lockdown period is going on and seems get extended for some more days. This is actually the right time for one to practice Trikala Sandhya Vandanam, and also for those who don't know, this is the right time to start studying as we get enough time. Sandhyobhasana is actually the tapas of all Brahmins. Na Gayatriyat Paramo Mantraha. Gayatri is the ultimate mantra. There is no mantra powerful than Gayatri, which is actually the saram of three Vedas. It's our responsibility to do Sandhyobhasana for the Logakshemam and also for the well-being of our community and ourselves. There are about 6 crore Brahmins in India. If at least 1 crore do Sandhya and 100 Gayatri a day, there will be 100 crore Gayatri Jabam happening in a day. That will be definitely good for the entire world, and it will remove all the diseases and difficulties which the world is facing nowadays. We should know what all this Sandhya Vandanam is about. We take food 2 to 3 times a day to keep our body healthy and fit. Everybody is focused on doing that and having very good awareness about the body fitness. Veda says, Tasmat Manushyo Durenno Upakriyade. Man should take food 2 times a day only. That is in the morning as well as in the evening. This is what Veda recommends. Along with that, it says, Aharahas Sandhyam Upasita. One have to do the Sandhyobhasanam without fail when the Sandhya period comes. Every day there are 3 Sandhya Kalam. One starts before the sunrise in the morning, one in the noon 12 o'clock, other starts before sunset in the evening. So these are the 3 Sandhya Kalam where one have to do the Sandhyobhasana. Veda says to do Sandhyobhasana for the healthy mind. Just like how we keep our body healthy, it is very, very important to keep the mind also healthy and sound. So Sandhyobhasana is basically to keep the mind very strong and sound. In fact, the mental health is very important for our decision making, for our good thinking, and for our proper way of dealing things in the world. Even to enjoy any worldly pleasures, one needs a strong and sound mind. Without a strong and sound mind, one cannot enjoy anything in this world. Actually, the enjoyment really happens in the mind only and not in the body. So, keeping the mind very strong, as well as it should be very sound, and it should be in a sattvic condition. So, for that, the Shastra recommends the Sandhya Vandanam 3 times a day. When we wake up in the morning, the Apana Vayu will eliminate all the waste from our body in the form of Malamutram. If the Malamutra Visarjanam doesn't happen, one feel uncomfortable. In the same way, the mind also gets impurities. Every day, due to Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha gunas, mind will become impure and mind will gets polluted. So, one have to do the purification process of mind continuously to keep it in a healthy and sound condition. For that, Shastra recommends to do Sandhya Vandanam without fail 3 times a day.